This guy can charge anything, and it's super tiny, super portable. It literally can just plug into anything. Here, watch this, check this out. Phone is off, we're gonna plug it in, boom, it's gonna start charging, and all it is this little guy at the bottom here. It charges with a USB Type-C at the bottom, so Type-C in here, Type-C in here. Okay, cool, it charges my Android phone, but it can also charge my iPhone. Boom! I promise that's not even it though. So check out my Samsung earbuds at the gym. Maybe it's low. Okay, whatever. Pop it out. Since this little guy on here, it is charging. You're out and about, you got your Meta glasses, but let's say, they die. It doesn't matter if you have this guy. It can charge everything and anything. Check this out. It's even backwards right now, but boom, green light is on, lights are on. This guy is charging. No longer is there a need for these humongous power banks. This one's also micro USB, by the way. Ew, old connector. Type-C, new connector. Oh, and that's not even it. If you look at the little port on the side, it's not just an input, it's an output. It's an in and output, and you can charge 2 devices at the same time. One from the little thing up top, and then one from connecting a USB-C to another device. So you can split power, and on top of that, you can actually charge this while you're charging a phone. So it can be plugged in while it's plugged in. This thing is super sweet. Let's say you're editing a video on your MacBook, as I always do. All right, you got your Anker. Check this out, guys. I am not even playing. I'm on some real stuff right here. I'm gonna plug it in. You see the lights go on. You hear the MacBook go bloom. It is charging. So what is that? We got a MacBook, we have Metabands, earbuds, we got the phone, we got the other phone. Heck, it can even charge my camera. This thing, it's smaller than my palm. It could probably fit in the little pocket of your like denim shorts. Look at how tiny this thing is. It is so small. Let me know if you guys have a smaller power bank than this that is also 5,000 milliamp hours and has its own connector built in. I'll wait, drop it in the comments below. If you can recommend me some more charging gear, because I am always on the go, I'm always looking for more charging gear to charge faster, charge better, to stay charged. I love your suggestions. If you want one of these little dudes, check it out in the description below. I will have an Amazon link for you, so you can go on Amazon, just check it out there. Thanks for opening this with me and looking at some of the specs and playing around plugging it into things. Later, y'all.